If you are here and sometimes you feel suicidal, don't end it. Because when you end it, you deny God the chance to prove that he is God. How can you know God as a healer if you've never been sick? How can you know God as a provider if you have never lacked? How can you know God as Jehovah Nissi if you've never been in any battle? How can you know him? What is happening to you? He is opening up a dimension of his power to you. God did not bring you this far just to bring you this far. He did not bring you this far just to disgrace you. He did not bring you this far just to disappoint you. All throughout history, there was nobody who walked with God that God disappointed the person. You are not going to break God's record. He has a track record of never failing anybody that he worked with.